Alrighty, friends, we are here. The beautiful, brand new Phoenix Link, $15,000 grand. We were there, and now we are here. We are still in Las Vegas. That is, my wifey is still right next to me. Holy crap! First spin magic. Okay, we did okay on that machine. This is the one that has all the symbols. Yeah, the numbers do change. Let's see what on this. What is this? This one just hit. And this one's hard to tell what symbol is what. That's the wild, this fella right here. Notice me, senpai.
It's weird when it's
One.
Sensei master, but he's not speaking Japanese. I don't like that.
Yeah, that's true. Did you guys hear that?
He shouldn't be called sensei if he's not Japanese.
Exactly. I agree. Yeah, with the right to aristocrat about that.
Definitely not playing this one.
Oh, what if it gives you the grand? It keeps giving me 2 bonus symbols. What's this, $3? Let's see. Okay, we don't like you. Okay, let's see this one. Our lucky star. Okay. 1. I don't know why I asked for 1. And I did get 1. There's one more right up there too. This one's at 3. Looks like people are really playing on this one because all the numbers are very low on this one. 4 more. It could pop with just 1, which is awesome. Yeah, should we try Confucius? The wifey doesn't like this one. Okay, we'll go to Confucius. All right, wifey made a very astute observation. First of all, this major is 1,000. Second of all, Confucius Say we win bonus. And third of all, there's a lucky smelly ashtray and a drinking soda, and then plus that other game, the guy was speaking Mandarin and it said something about Japanese. Or is it senpai? Oh no, what was his name? Sensei, and that's a Japanese word.
It means teacher.
And yes, it means teacher, and he was speaking Chinese. Who knows? Who really knows, aristocrat? Whatever you say though, aristocrat. Let's see what Confucius has to say. This number is very small. What are all of them? So we need 3 wisdom symbols. That looks like that will give us clarity and wisdom. See this one? 250 is not that good. Let's see 5.
So find a 1,000 one.
Oh. I bet 5 and I almost won 5,000. Okay. Should we go to these ones then?
Let's just see that.
It's too small.
I always think that you win.
Yeah, with the thing changing. This is pretty. Yeah, none of them are really worth chasing, realistically, because the bonus could be absolute like sadness too. What was this? 3, 5. Let's just see 5 cents, because that one I think at least has. What were we doing? We were doing this. Let's do 50 lines at 250. That was good because it gave us. Wait, what? Holy crap! That's so loud. What were we doing that had a $500 minor? That was the 10 cents? That was, I don't even remember. 2 more. I don't remember at this point. 3, 3. 3, 3. 1. Oh, I asked for 1 and I got the wrong 1. That's crazy talk. So this at least has 50 lines. 2. There was many of them that were peaking. 2 more. 1. Oh my goodness. That was a 100x. Is something gonna happen here? Who really knows? Until we find out. That would have been the one to trigger it on. Imagine triggering on that one. Hey now. New game, new magic. 2 more. This is one that I think I've seen Vegas map play that it's very, very tough to get that free spin thing.
You should try the 10 cents instead of.
Okay. Yeah, so this one has the $500. Oh,
Spinning, keep spinning. Oh yeah.
but not that big, right? This one has a good one. It's at 11. I can't believe I nailed it the other time, the exact number.
Which one is that?
1114. Oh my God, we missed all the Confucius. All thy Confuci. That was crazy. Okay. Well, we should get this one. Terrifying. Very loud. Okay. How many of these are we gonna get in a row? Not the 1 and 5. Okay. Whatever you think. Wifey's gonna put in a lucky 20 for Confucius. Let's see what he has to say about that.
Confucius.
He's confused. He's confused us. He's 111. Do you think it's cringe when people fist pump when they get a bonus round? Or do you think it's cool? Oh, there's a book. I forgot how to read though. Boom. Okay. 4. Oh, 1118 would be what I would want. Oh, I like his laugh. It's very cute. Oh. Oh, I wanted it at 1118. Always have the 18 in there.
They went up twice already?
What do you mean?
There was 1117, and then now.
Yeah, oh, no, we hit a bunch of other balls in the middle of it. Maybe something's gonna happen here. I think wifey's pulling something out. Okay, guys, here we are. Confucius Say. Confucius Say, $100 maxed out major. Okay, Confucius, let's hear what you have to say here, buddy. Another 100 in. Oh, 1. Holy crap. That was, I almost was loving what you had to say. Okay. So the 10, what are we on, 10 cents? Yeah. Oh, Confucius, I'm confused. Let's put this down. Okay, there we go. 1 could be the popper. All right, all right. Mini is 100. Major, we'd love to just get minor, major, mini all together. Why not us? Why not right now? Let's just do it. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Oh, hey. So I think we should just stay on this one, right? Because it's a good bet. I mean, it's a good bet. It's a good amount. And we're kind of close, right? So it's like not bouncing around that much. I like his laugh when he laughs at us. It could pop anyone time we get like 1 or 2. I can't believe I got it right that last time. It could pop right now. It could be 1132. We don't know what the number was. It could be 1133. It wasn't. But it could have been. Yeah. I wonder how long this has been here. The major's already max.
Maybe you should change the non-users just to change it.
Just for the sake of just changing it?
Yeah.
So you don't want to go after that at all?
I kind of do, but then you can always come back to that.
Sure. After we win a little bit over here, I like it. Like that would have been good when I was there, remember? Let's go 100 lines. What is this? So now we're at 100 lines. Oh, I saw the major go by. I saw the beautiful green. It was there. It could trigger on the major too. I just saw it again. It was right there. Are you excited? If it just drops, it could technically just pop it. Okay, 110 back. 2 more of these, please. Or just that. 4 more. Oh, the major is in play. Maybe it likes this bet. Maybe it wants to give it to 1 center. So let's go with this. 2 and then 3. 2 and then 3, but none. None came. 0-4. 0-4-0. 0 for all. Wow. This is 100 lines, so. Some 9s, some books. Boom, boom, boom. 12. Hey, that's pretty good. 2 more of those, please. Okay. Incredibly unnecessary to show 1 without the other 2. Okay. So this one does have 100 lines in play, as you can see. Better than which one?
50 versus 100.
Well, you're more likely to get line hits. I mean, this is showing some huge numbers right now. You're way more likely to get it. Is that person's punching the screen? That's awesome. Someone's slapping the screen. I think that helps. Come on. Yes, you did. Okay. That's the one. That was the winner. Oh, he sounds a little like Santa Claus when he laughs. Ho, 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 ho. That's pretty funny. It was that machine. It was the sensei that was the senpai that wasn't sensei or senpai. Huh? Oh yeah, we were. What is the bonus symbol? I don't even know. Oh, it's the wisdom. This is the free spins.
$2 sucks.
It was showing me some things. Where do you want to go now? 2 cents. So we can do 100. What's this? 2. We did see a major. Many times. We like to see it again. 2 more of these. So this one is really hard to hit these free spins. I don't know why. But like.
Yeah, you haven't gotten 6, right?
No, I got it on the other machine. But the free spins, when you get the wisdom thing, that one's really hard. The free spin symbol thing. Why? Why? See, look at this. It's gonna give us 2 and then blockers. 2 more.
I don't like 100.
You don't like 100 line? Okay.
I feel like you were doing fine with
50 lines. Oh. It's more likely to give line hits. Boom, 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 boom. Let this be the one. 4 more. 748. Ho, ho, ho. 5.
This is on 1,000.
Yeah. I think this is the toughest one. Oh. Wow. They flew by on every single reel. 4 more. The whole 2, please. Yes. The mini's 52. We like it. Please drop that major again. Or I mean, it didn't drop last time. It just swung by. That lady said the person in Henderson did win the grand, right? On a 50-cent bet. Yes. So we can technically win it right here. Just drop 3 at once. Drop 2. The music has changed. Do 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 do. It is 15,000. You know, 15,000 is like very good amount of money at this point. Yes. Boom. Oh, so many were flying. That one was for sure gonna land.
Wow, it's so dramatic.
And you can. The thing is, you can fast spin it. You can have it count faster. See? That's good, yeah.
The song is still fun.
The song is a very classic, lovely song. We love it. Okay, that's it. That looks very good. Looks very good. Oh.
It's only half body.
Okay, so this is 25 lines now. Oh, this is 840. They got a lot of bonus on that game. I don't know what it is, the little cute dragon game. Oh. Maybe that's what they did, knock on the screen too, duh. She's watching people play Baozu and she feels the FOMO. She's knocking on the door like she's a Amazon driver. 3. The screen will break? I mean, it's very tempered, thick glass, that's for sure. Yeah. People are crazy. It'll be really strong. Like, oh my god, that's such a hard bonus to get to. We got it. First spin. Let's get $500 minor. Let's get a $1,000. She's shaking the screen? Yeah. She's hitting it so hard, she's shaking the screen. No one knows why. Yeah, you have. You hurt me. Now, see, oh, these are when it's 2, and then it's, oh, that's pretty good right there. Yeah, this is, if only these were bells too, that would be ring my bell.
Seems like a grandpa that judges all of his grandsons.
Yeah, did you hear that? He's judging all of his grandsons. Are you a doctor yet? Was that Family Guy skit? Okay. We like that. Now let's get more things that are good for us. How much is that? Wow, $95. Hell yeah, let's go. 4, please. Oh, so it's locked in 2s. Him again. So it's gonna be everything the same, and then the middle is the wild. It's gonna be the wild card. So the middle needs to line up. Grandpa. Okay. We would like, you can get grandpa in the middle. It's a full thing of grandpa. That's good. That'd be very nice. You can get grandpa. Oh, hey, grandpa. That's good. We would have liked bells over there. Saved by the bells. Or Luminaire over here too. How many free spins are left? Oh, okay. Let's just get a beautiful retrigger. Okay, that's nice too. Oh, come on. Yes, yeah, the last spin. Hell, that is huge. No. It is true. Okay, this is real. Let's go. Let's get a major in here. It's maxed out. 10 cents. Focus. Boom, 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 boom. Any progressive is good here. Hey, that was not good. I thought so, but still, that's good. On top of it. Boom, 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 boom. It's so fast, I like it. Because people that slam in the bonus round, they're gonna like not be able to do that. Oh, you got it again, you're right. That's the one. That's the winner right there. That machine is scared, yeah. The lady behind us keeps smashing the screen, and then the Baozu machine is scared, so it just gives her bonuses over and over again. We'll do a few more over here. I don't know if we want to chase that, but I do. Oh my god, 1.
Oh my god.
Wow, Confucius Say I'm on tilt. 3, it's trying to trick us.
Yeah, see?
It's tricking me. He is sure tricking me. Let's do.
I'd hate you if money came out of you.
Wifey said she would hit me if money came out of me. This lady is punching the screen over there. Okay. All right, now 1 line hit after that, but that was fun. Okay, we made a bit of a good comeback right here. This game is super, super fun. We like it. Confucius Say, we did good today, and I'd have to agree, Confucius. We're gonna go find another machine, but I hope you guys liked it. Definitely give this machine a shot. It is a little more volatile than the first one, but it is a ton of fun. Alrighty, friends. Oh, your wifey's gonna do one $1 spin, I'm guessing?
50 cents.
No. Okay, what if you pop it right now? Okay, well, now we can go. Now she has closure. Even number. All right, we'll be back, friends. Bye-bye for now.